Hello, how you doing, man? This is Juan with King Credit Repair, giving result in the first 30 days. It doesn't really matter what you have in your credit. It could still get removed in the first 30 days. How? Under the Fair Reporting Act, the credit bureau are required by law to have your original contract with your signature on it, which they don't. They don't keep file from any consumer. They don't have the right then to report any debt. It could be open, closed, judgment, tax lien, student loan, eviction. Don't really matter. If they don't have your original contract with your signature on it, the law say it must be deleted. So fix your credit, man. Change your life. Live the life that you want. Have fun. Enjoy life. Travel. How? Having a great credit. Make this stuff happen to you. Remember, the King Credit Repair will give you result in the first 30 days. For me, for myself, I don't really worry about nothing in general. Why? Because when you got excellent credit, so you don't really have to worry how you're going to get stuff paid or what you're going to do, because you invest in business, invest in real estate. We also do business credit. You that are owner, if you don't have a DUNS number, if you don't have, a payday score, if you don't have vendors, it's going to be very difficult of getting finance. If you are a sole proprietorship, bank really like you to be corporate, LLC, something with the structure. Why? Because it brings confidence in general. So remember, don't ever pay late. A late payment of 30 days will cost like around 140 points on your credit. Remember, the King Credit Repair will give you a result in the first 30 days. Visit our website at kingofcr.co. This is Juan. I'm the president and CEO of King Credit Repair LLC, giving result in the first 30 days. You can always call us at 585-472-4911, or you can give us a call at 585-589-8111. Our location is going to be at 1096 Joseph Avenue. That's our location where you could come, pass by, and this is going to be over here in Rochester, New York. And we also could fix your credit all 50 states. Doesn't really matter where are you. We can make it happen for you. Remember that within 30 days, you'll start seeing result on your credit bureau. So it doesn't really matter what you have in your credit. You might be thinking, hey, how can that be? How can that be possible? Getting stuff removed in the first 30 days. We cannot promise you that within 30 days everything will get removed. But something that I could show and promise is that you're going to see that stuff getting removed in the first 30 days in general. Another thing, we offer trade lines. What is a trade line? Trade line will boost up your credit score pretty high. Why? Because if you go with a higher credit score and you go with credit history to the bank, most likely out of 100%, 99.9, you're going to get approved. We just have to check your credit, check what is affecting you, and we also provide trade lines as an authorized user. They will boost up your credit score. So it doesn't matter what you're passing through in your life. It doesn't matter if you are hustling in the street or your background where you come from. What it really matters is that you change your life, decide to be different, to decide to grow in business, decide to be someone in your life. Remember, the King Credit Repair will give you a result in the first 30 days.